you, boy. Tangled in your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smile. I see you, boy. Oh, I need you, boy. 'Cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. Yeah, yeah, 'cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. Baby, I want this to last forever. Oh yeah, baby, I want this. Can we make this last forever? Oh yes. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Good morning, guys. So today is Thursday and I'm drinking my Herbalife tea and my multifiber. I think today I'm going to the gym, guys. I can't be procrastinating this much when there's a gym and I really want to get in shape. I'm in shape, but I want to build muscle, so I really have to be consistent and there's no slacking. We want nice bodies, so I'm just gonna get ready for the gym now. I'm gonna finish my tea and then I'm gonna make breakfast, and then when I get back from the gym we're going to talk about what I eat. So I'll be taking you guys through what I eat to maintain my flat stomach or whatever, and to build muscle. I really want to start taking supplements, but I don't know which ones to take. A supplement on. Ooh, there's a lot to think about. So I'll see you guys once I'm ready for the gym, or we'll make breakfast together. So
Make it work. Woo, here we
I don't know what's wrong with you girls. I feel like y'all don't need love. You need somebody who could micromanage you, you know what I'm saying? Tell you right from wrong, who's smart from who's a fool, which utensil to use for which food.
hi guys, so I just got back home from class and today I just went to the gym and I went to class. So I'm going to make food right now. I'm going to make the usual eggs, a banana and bread, French toast basically, but with a banana, because I'm trying to eat as much protein as possible, because right now I'm not taking any supplements that are gonna supplement the protein that I don't take on a daily basis. And I really want to start taking supplements, but I don't know which supplement to try or which supplement to take. And I don't want to take something that's going to damage my skin because of the amount of sugar and stuff. So we'll just see how we figure that out. So but right now I'm just trying to eat as much food as possible, but food that have protein and food that are nutritious. Yes. So yeah, I'll be taking you guys through that on this vlog, because I know, hey guys, eating healthy is hard, but if you are eating junk food in moderation, that's also okay, and you're trying to eat healthy food as well, but you just visit junk food, that's perfectly fine. But you also have to make sure that you exercise as well. What's the use of eating healthy if you're not gonna exercise? Even if you don't exercise like a crazy person, just walk, just to get your heart rate up. And yeah, so let me go make food and stop rambling. And yeah guys, we will talk tomorrow. Yeah, I don't have much planned for tomorrow, but I'll see. Bye guys.
I got a schedule to attend to though. I can't really.
Damn, these niggas got me so twisted. How the fuck you so real, but they bitch on my life.
Hi guys, so today is Saturday and I'm ready to go to my friend's braai or party. I'm not sure what it is because she just said she's having a braai. So, and I'm feeling a bit fluey guys. Fuba, it doesn't want to leave us alone. But I'll show you guys my outfit once I get the opportunity. And so guys, I had to change my outfit because it was too formal. But this is my outfit. I'm wearing my black Shein flare pants and this top from The Fix. So let's go.
I can feel what you spinning. Not too much pride to let no burn it. Go sign me out, pull up, go right about mine. I got time, let's discuss all those lies about fighting out here like you digging me out, and I ain't even coming, I'm in and out, and you ain't about the shit you rapping about, and I can spend the whole I'm wearing it down. I'm going home like a short off. You tell these hoes you ain't cuddling, but with me enough, doing all that shit. You telling these hoes you ain't tricking off, but with me enough, I'm gon' get it all. How you niggas get so carried away, tripping when that dick is barely third place. Fuck that up, pity, it's cute that you lame. Damn, cause it's mad I can fake like it's hang. You slime me, yo out. You slime me, yo out. You slime me, yo out. Oh, oh, oh,
Yeah. January, you pretend to see life clearly, yearly. February is a time that you put the evil eye and the pride aside for the fantasy of getting married. Very scary. March got you already second guessing titles. April, spring's here just like a spring start to spiral. May bring some warmer days. Poolside getting very tan. June, hey, you're moving ice cold, going back and forth with a married man. July, that's when I found out. July, August, it was baby this, baby that. Like, yeah, you're too tired. September, we falling off, but I'm still the main trying to win over. October is all about me, cause your time should have been over. November, got your mood board, and for next year, you're single. December, the gift giving month, and now you want to candle. Tryna build trust, showing me a DMs, how they tryna bag you. Ironic how the news I got about you ended up being bad news. racks, girl, the beef cost like it's wagyu. Get a nigga hit, I make his ass see the light like a half moon. Shot the QC, pretty sure I made PMs like it's past noon. All I really know is W's and M's, life looking like a bathroom. All I really know is damn bags like I drove through and ordered fast food. Saying I'm too guarded with my feelings, who the fuck even asked you? 7 bodyguards just in case somebody really wanna try and crash through. Don't know why I listen to you when I hear you talking to me in some half truth. If I don't pay your rent, it end up like a old hairstyle, girl, it's past due. If I don't... I got
I'll get sorry to start all over again. You know when love just
Yo guys, for sure is so expensive. Yo guys. Hi guys, so I just got home from the gym and I also ran a few errands and I bought bananas. So guys, with what I've been eating, I've been trying to eat as healthy as possible because I notice every time I eat unhealthy, like my stomach, I don't see my ab lines anymore. So that is just a mess. I don't have ab lines anymore. And my winter face is coming back. So every time I vlog, I'm going to try to eat as healthy as possible. Just so that we can motivate each other, guys. Because eating healthy is really hard. Especially when unhealthy food is so easily accessible. So you can just access unhealthy food that easily. So it's just super easy to fall off your diet. So I'm trying my best to eat healthy, but it's so hard. Even when you get invited to parties or braais, you don't have a choice but to eat what you are given, even if you're on a diet, guys. So I'm just gonna try to bounce back by gymming as much as possible. But while I was gymming, I hurt my knee. My knee literally almost gave up on me, but I managed to finish the workout. So for me, now I'm just gonna try make a salad because there are salad ingredients in the fridge. I could have easily ate something unhealthy because I walked past KFC and I wanted to buy something from KFC, but I said, you know what, because I want the body, I'll just sacrifice for now. Yeah, and I don't want a winter face, guys. We don't want them winter faces. So yes, guys, we'll just be holding each other accountable for now. And yeah, let me go make the egg salad and then yeah, we'll catch up. Because wow, guys, this healthy life, it's hard though.
You know you better watch out. There's some girls around me about some guys who only think that thing. Oh, been trying to let it go, trying to keep my eyes closed, trying to keep it just like before. Times when I never even thought to speak. Don't wanna tell you
probably think I show out. I ain't even keep it yet. Running up a silly shit. Staying off the internet. Share the stage with Billy Eilish. Turning in a given time. Personal problems till the talking, cause I got rich without it. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even keep it too used to be this shit slick divided. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick divided. I be knowing the rundown, I'm doubting, so I can't speak about it. She know I'm the things, and she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I coach her. I'm in a different league, I'm tired of showing I can get done. What you gon' do for me? 40,000 miles up in the air, every time I get some Z's. Full cook press put on their neck, and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears come with this check, it ain't nowhere near easy. Had to fall back, you know I let go, we only speaking briefly. Hope I'm not too much to handle. City nigga from Atlanta, I spend my last check on ammo. This is not a regular Lambo. $100,000 kit, could've put down on another Lambo. Don't be in the mix, I built this shit forever, have to say so. This shit gon' get serious about my money, this ain't no fucking play though. Brought it down for double homicide, I try to tell him lay low. See, don't like to drive, but he spin good, I'm on the way to Clayco. AK-47s in the spots before they made the Draco. I'm just tryna ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign a deal. I'm just tryna ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign a deal. Over buying cars, I snatched the barbers just for motivation. Shoot out at the spot today, tomorrow we at a new location. For y'all know the guys, I hope y'all beat the case and get probation. Stashed at my mama house, 400 bands in the ventilation. Now look how I'm living, I bought a house for the money to stay at. Right when niggas think that I got soft, I'ma pull up and spray it. Living like a dumb, I smoke a blunt in the back, you done made back. Put up like your mama with this switch, why the fuck would you say? I'ma do it work, gotta double the payback. Never take it personal, show no mercy, bro taught me that way back. Cuno took it off, I was always talking, say hoes where you stay at. Keep a stash house, you can't take nothing to the spot where you lay at. Never be a bother if you want me, no problem, just say that. Never running off, so if I owe you, I got to, I pay that. Get this shit my heart, so when I'm old, I can chill and just lay back. Really from the bottom, so the trenches is where I feel safe at. I'm just tryna ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign a deal. I'm just tryna ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still. I need
Oh my gosh, Chloe.
I be in a loop, she be in a group. Brody want a friend, don't alley loop. Turn something to nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the who's? Still running around with more, get ready, pack the go, yeah. People probably think I show out, I ain't even keep it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Share the stage with Billy Eilish, turning in a given time. Personal problems till the talking, cause I got rich without it. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even keep it too used to be this shit slick